Hi, my name is Erin. I'm a fourth-year student at Florida State University studying biology and environmental science, and I'll be graduating in spring 2025. I'm one of two students who runs the FSU's Campus Cats Instagram account. My favorite study spot in town is Tallahassee Cat Cafe, and despite working with oysters, I still won't really eat them. Initially, full disclosure, I came to FSU because it was the perfect distance away from my folks in my hometown. I thought 5 hours was close enough where I could see them whenever I needed to, but a little far enough to get some independence. But now I think I've stayed a lot for research. I got involved through the undergraduate research opportunity program at the Marine Lab, and I've stayed for that ever since. It's been awesome. So the Europ project was just one test core where I learned some of the methods, and then for the broader project, I got really lucky. My PI was still starting out, so a lot of it was funded through his lab directly. It's looking at intertidal oyster reefs within Franklin County, Florida. The initial project was just a test, but then we expanded it to cover 5 different sites across the region, looking at whether the properties of oyster shell clusters at the surface are actually related to the sediments underneath them, and whether we can use that as a way to kind of tell how they're doing. After I had a bit of the project rolling, I was also able to apply for an FSU idea grant to do stabilized topic analysis of my samples too, which was really cool and definitely something I couldn't have done without getting that funding. I also run the FSU's Campus Cat Instagram account with one of my friends. Basically what it is we have students send in their own photos they get of the cute little guys on campus. We have a little conversation, and then either weekly or bi-weekly, depending on how busy we are, we will post a little compilation of them and tag all the folks who sent them in. So I'm actually in the process of applying for graduate programs right now, which is a little scary, but it's really exciting. I'm thinking of going for a Master of Science in something related to wetlands and biogeochemistry. I'd love to work on oyster reefs. I don't have my heart set on oyster reefs, but it's a fun system to work in.